Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find and manage sound settings on Redmi 14R. First go to settings, then go to sound and vibration, and now I'm gonna get you through all of these settings. The first three sliders are for adjusting volumes for media like music or videos and games. Then the next one is for ringtone, and the last one is for alarm. So to adjust the volume, just adjust the sliders like that, and you'll hear a preview of the loudness. Then the next three options are for changing default sounds like ringtone, calendar sound, and other notifications and reminders. And to change any one of those, just click on it and it's gonna get you to the themes app. Here you can find different themes you may download, but you can also choose local ringtone to set your custom ringtone from your music or pre-installed ringtones, and here you can choose one from Redmi. And to do it, just click on the name to hear a preview or on apply to set it. Then click on apply, OK. And if it gives you this prompt, click on allow. And if the prompt was shown, then you need to click on apply again and OK. And now when it says applied successfully and this phone symbol is next to this ringtone, then it's applied and you can go back. Then the next options are sound options. You can enable or disable silent mode. This will silence incoming calls and notifications. You can also enable silence media in silent mode. So when this option is enabled, then whenever silent mode is enabled as well, games, music and videos and other apps will be silenced as well, not only the calls and notifications. And the next thing is do not disturb. And in do not disturb, you can set different settings to silence notifications. You can for example set a schedule when notifications shouldn't disturb you and other things. Then here is vibration settings, and you can enable or disable vibrating for calls, vibrating in silent mode, and vibrating on tap intensity, or you can set it to off if you don't want it to be on. Then you can go to sound effects, and here you can select different sound effects if you have downloaded different one than Xiaomi sound. Then the next thing is graphic equalizer. You can go here to set an equalizer for your music, and here are earphone controls settings. And the last thing in sound and vibrations, additional settings, and here you can adjust volume adjustment settings and enable or disable system sounds like dial pad tones, tap sounds, lock device sound, taking screenshot sound, and more. And that's all in the sound and vibration menu in settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.